Hi, my name is Mandy and welcome to my video, Makeup Mistakes to Avoid.
Bruh, it's too much, it's too much. I look like a blow-up doll. Do I look like a blow-up doll? I put up on Instagram story a little poll asking you guys, what would you like to see? Would you like me to do a half a face? Half a face of what the industry does as heavy makeup, or a full face of badly applied makeup? Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? What have you guys voted on? So, oh my god, this could be so wrong. I've actually never, no, I lie. There was a point when I was 16 and back then there wasn't a foundation available for brown people. Well, there was, but like it was like white, beige, darkest of brown. They totally forgot there's like a billion different variations of brown in between the, you know, the light and the dark. So I used to pick what I thought was the closest to my skin tone, and back when I was 16 that was basically white. Looking crazy as F. I'm gonna zoom in a bit more so you can get a proper, wow, bruh, this is so weird. Okay, from here I then blend out the correct side. I blend it out and then powder it down, and the incorrect side I'm actually gonna bake. Now I'm really not a fan of baking because one, it's very heavy. It definitely sets everything under the eye, but on camera, this might not pick up because on camera it looks amazing, but in real life you can see literally the powdery residue, the dryness of that area. It's horrible, and in the long run it's actually pretty bad for the socket area because that skin's very delicate and you're literally sucking out the moisture in that area, and that area needs the moisture the most. So yeah. And then what people tend to do is bake. So I am going to be using Screen Face translucent powder. Now Screen Face is usually found from theatrical makeup artists that use a much heavier styles, and this is translucent. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not a fan of translucent powders, but anyway, here we are. So from what I understand, because I don't bake very often, is that you dip your powder in, get a good old wodge of powder, and then you place it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, on the correct side, what I tend to do is not have any powder on my blender, and I would just sort of blend out the already there concealer. So nice light tapping motions up in the corner, over the lid as well, because you want your whole socket to look the same. That's it. And when you usually blend it out, even though it's 2 shades lighter, can you see it's just seamless into the foundation that I've used. And then to set it, I use Laura Mercier's translucent powder. Now I know I just said I hate translucent powders, but I just feel Laura Mercier's translucent powder has a little bit more of a beige to yellow tint to it. So it's not quite a translucent powder. If I just put these up against each other, oh shit, I just like covered my makeup in powder. Anyway, can you see? One's a bit more yellow and this translucent is a bit more pink. So, and there's some translucent powders that are like sheer ash white. So I don't mind the Laura Mercier translucent powder because it has a bit of a yellow bake to it, and I like that because it means it's not going to be so ashy on me. So I won't lie, as I'm speaking to you right now, I can feel my skin being taut, like really dry and taut right now, but I'm gonna leave it there because apparently it's supposed to leave it on for about 5 minutes. So on the correct side, I would then literally use like a fluffy brush like this, tap it, shake off the powder, and I would just tap it into my concealer area where I've just blended. So yeah, just like. Seen people do this too low or too high. So or break. You know, even if we didn't do that and we're like, okay, yeah, okay, Mandy, you know what, that's a bit autistic, you know, probably get away with that. You could probably say you're doing the feeling Amy Winehouse today, I don't know. Like, you could do that, but then boom. You can't get away with you were trying to pull off an Amy Winehouse. You can't. So guys, this is in my opinion, badly applied makeup. Please let me know if you think this is correctly done or if you think this is normal makeup. On my correct side, this is how I would know. This is how I normally apply makeup on a regular day. So this is not considered heavy, but it's not normal. It's so wrong. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, giving me your voting situation, what you wanted to see on my face. Thanks. I have to take this off now. I have to match up this face. I'm going to do a quick fast forward for you, but drop me your thoughts, drop me your suggestions of things that you've used, things that you tried that you were like, oh my god, what is this? Do you try any of these methods yourself? Have I hopefully educated you somewhat? Let me know. But thanks guys, you chose this. 2019, hello.